Today's tutorial is a chill-style nail art perfect for vacation. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. This lays foundation for our nails. Apply foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We use this gel as the base color. Now apply the base color evenly. If you meet spill gel issues, we suggest you to use a cuticle stick to remove it on cuticles. We have prepared a cuticle stick in the kit. It could help you fix spill gel issues. Alright, problems are solved. Keep applying the base color and cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Let's start painting flowers. Leave some color gel on a clean, empty plate. We need a dotting pen to do the painting. We would be painting the petals first. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. And take the other color. Now we are done with flower shapes. Please repeat the previous steps to draw the rest of your fingers. After all the paintings, your nails need to be cured under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.